So I'm back at it again, doing some 3D printing work. And this here is an HP 800G3 small form factor. And half the time, these little hard drive mounting screws go missing. And I did some experimentation. I made one at first that pretty close replication of the original, but the piece that goes around the screw head would snap off. So what I ended up doing was I ended up raising this inner area so it connected to the wall more, which gives me this model. And the screw head sticks out a little bit because of that, but honestly, that's how the original is too, for the most part. And this turned out pretty good after fixing it. It's not the most durable, so you see I pushed on it a little too hard when I was doing some durability testing, and I did end up shearing off some of the plastic. And it's also a little bit of a tight fit because I had to make this wall a little bit thicker just so it'd be more resilient, so this doesn't happen. But even if this does break off, you still have a little bit of a lip, so I suspect it should be okay, although maybe not ideal. Yeah, seems like it's okay. And the reason I wanted to design it this way was because a lot of the other models you have to buy screws to use them. Well, with this design, you can just salvage the screws off the motherboard if you wanted to. You'll obviously have to replace them with something, but if you're like me, you probably have a bunch of these hex head case screws that you can replace it with. So I stole a screw out of there and just threw it on the floor. And then I can just replace that with a normal hex head screw. And then you can use these screws with your 3D print to just put that in there, screw it in, and then attach it to the hard drive you're choosing. An alternative print I tried was basically just making a washer, because I haven't seen people do that either. Search engines kind of hate me, so odds are after making this video, a million results will show up for this design. But just a thin, a thick washer, not thin, and then you use your normal case screws. And as you can see, it fits and it locks into place, but it does have a lot more wiggle to it than the factory screws. This doesn't really have much wiggle. The wiggle it has is the shock absorption capabilities of these little screws. But it is an option. It's better than nothing if you don't plan on transporting the computer and you're not too worried about the hard drives vibrating, causing issues. Should be good enough. I don't really know why, with only 2 drives, you'd have to worry about the vibrations interfering with each other. It is an issue in like really large servers. But yeah, I would say that as long as you're careful, you can get multiple uses out of these. You can tell it kind of smashes the plastic down. Only reason that one broke is because I was basically violently forcing this in and out to see, how it holds up. And you can see it's really chewed up the plastic from me being hard on it like that. But yeah, otherwise, hopefully the model's helpful. Figured I'd throw my design into the ring because I wanted to be able to use screws I didn't have to buy from the hardware store. And like I said, this is one of the early models, but basically, pretty simple design. So hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.